Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this gorgeous window rose card for Teachers Day. So when you will open the window, you will find this beautiful message inside the curtain. Best teacher of the world. Isn't it an unique idea? And you can simply close the window. All these roses are made using paper quilling strips and they are looking absolutely stunning. Inside the card, you can write the message, the special message for your teacher. So, without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I'm taking beige color cardstock which measures 11.5 by 15.5 centimeters, and I'm just making the window in the center. So, first we have to find out the center of the sheet. I'm marking exactly in the center, making one line by joining these markings. Then using this line as the middle portion, aligning the 3 centimeter on this line and marking on 0 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Similarly, marking in the bottom one more time. Then joining these markings. Then rotating my sheet and then again marking on 3 centimeters from top and marking on 11 centimeters. Then I am joining these markings. And our window is ready. Now we just need to crease these corner lines of the window using ball tool, and rest of the portion I am going to cut using paper cutter. So the door for window is ready. Now I have created one more rectangle shape on both the sides by leaving 0.5 centimeter gaps. So we just need to cut this inner part as well using paper cutter. And now we have the hollow space inside the window. We just need to fold it backward like this, and this is done. Then here I am taking one strip of dark sea blue color, just added little glue and folded this in half to create little stiff strip. And now I'm just taking back my card, and according to the size of window I am going to cut this strip in small pieces. Here I am taking small pieces strip to decorate my windows and creating the grill design. So just diagonally adding these strips. and I have added in the cross manner to create this beautiful pattern on both sides of the windows, cutting the excess strips from backside. And this is done. Now to make it more finished from outer side, I'm adding here this frame which I have already cut, and this is having the same size as window, and just sticking it on top of this from both the sides. And the super cute window is ready. Then I have planned to color this window using this beautiful turquoise color chalk paint. You can also use acrylic colors to give it little vintage look. So from outer side and inside I have colored this window completely, and it's looking absolutely stunning. Now here I'm taking one cardstock which is 11.5 by 15.5 centimeters. I have cut the inner part so that we can stick it on top of the window like this. Now I'm just taking little glue, adding it on backside of the cardstock and sticking it with the base. And this is done. Now here I'm taking brown cardstock which is 25 by 16.5 centimeters. Just folded my cardstock from center. And then here I have this beautiful message, best teacher of the world, written on the beige cardstock which is having the same size as the window. So just I am sticking this exactly in the center of the base card. Just checking with my base window that it should align exactly in the center, and then we just need to stick the window on top of this. And this is done. Then I'm taking one vellum paper which will work like a curtain inside the window. So I'm just sticking it from top like this. So we just need to open the window and pull out the curtains and you will have the message, best teacher of the world. So cute idea. And then we just need to press the windows back. And the base for the card is ready. Now it's time to decorate this with handmade flowers. So I'm starting with making the rose, and for the dark pink petals I'm taking 1/4 strip of dark pink in 3 mm and making bended leaf shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So we need total 3 dark pink petals. Now I'm taking 1/3 strip of medium pink color and making bended leaf shape. We need total 5 medium pink petals, And now I'm taking 1/3 strip of white color and again making one bended leaf shape. And we need total 7 white color bended leaves. So all these petals are ready. Now to make the center of the flower, I am taking half strip of maroon color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. And then around this I will start arranging my rose petals. So I'm starting with the dark pink, then I will add medium pink, and then at the end I will add white color petals. Just wiping out the glue marks using wet brush immediately, and a super beautiful and gorgeous rose is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more, and also for the smaller size I have added only 3 layers. I have skipped the white part. So this is done. Now I am showing you how to make leaf. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and I am making total 2 bended leaves shapes for sap green. Similarly, I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color and making one leaf shape. Now joining all 3 petals together to make one complete leaf. Wrapping sap green strip around this, cutting the excess strip, and the leaf is ready. In the same way, I have already prepared some more leaves. Then taking back my card, and I will start decorating this using my handmade roses and leaves. Also, I am adding some scrolls here and there which are made using the same green colors. If you want to learn scrolls, you can check out my scroll video. And this is done. Then randomly I am adding some golden color stones here and there to add some shine. And the super gorgeous and very beautiful and very unique Teachers Day card is ready. You just can write any special message inside the card and open the window and just show the beautiful message to your teacher, best teacher of the world. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video, and in this way you can make so many cards for your all favorite teachers using different colors. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.